is the chickens, crazy chickens. Let's see what happened on the chickens. Crazy chickens. Let's see what happened on crazy chickens. Got the miner. All right. Come on, save me, save me, save me. Taking my money now, save me, save me. See, they deduct money out your account. And when you don't hit nothing, you still got to pay. All right, save me. Save me, chicken, save me, chicken. Crazy chickens. Crazy chicken, the grand. All right. Look like the machine is on fire a little bit. We keep on playing. A couple backup spins. Let the coins rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. All right. Crazy chickens, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy chicken. Those are the instant wins. I'll be back.